I have the M4 iPad Pro, and I'll be showing you how to screen record with audio from the microphone. So this can be useful especially for things like tutorials, or if you want to record the ambient sounds or your voice. This is important. So normally to screen record, you just swipe from the top right corner and then start your recording. Okay, but if you want to make sure you're recording audio, then here's what to do. If you swipe down, instead of tapping on the record icon, just long press on it, and then you should see the option to turn microphone on. So by default, the microphone is off. If you just tap on that and it's red, the microphone is now on. And now when you start recording, it's going to record both the visuals and the sound coming in through the microphone. That's ambient sound and also your voice. All right. So let's listen to that and hear what it sounds like. Coming in through the microphone. That's ambient sound and also your voice. All right. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.